Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the prime factors of number 675. For finding the prime factors, we are going to write the number like so and we'll divide it by prime numbers. First few prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. As 675 is an odd number, let's try and divide it by prime number 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6, 1 is remainder, this becomes 15, 3 times 5 is 15. Again we can divide it by 3, 3 times 7 is 21, 1 is remainder, this becomes 15, 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2 is 6, 1 is remainder, this becomes 15, 3 times 5 is 15. Now 25 is not fully divisible by 3, so we are going to use the next prime number which is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. And 5 times 1 is 5. So our number is fully divided. Now we can write 675 as the product of its prime factors, which is 3 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5. These are all the prime factors of 675. We can write the prime factors in exponent form as 605 equals 3 cube times 5 square. So these are the prime factors of 675. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.